Good morning everyone. I am E. Bhargavi and I am here to discuss about eye gaze communication, which is also called as eye gaze human computer interface. The contents we are going to discuss are abstract, introduction, users of the eye gaze system, working, running, operational environment, advantages and conclusion. Coming to the abstract, the eye gaze system is a communication system for people with complex physical disabilities, and this operates with eyes by looking at control keys displayed on the screen. Introduction to the eye gaze system. The eye gaze system is a communication and control system for people with complex physical disabilities. The eye gaze system is a direct select vision control communication and control system. Users of the eye gaze system. The system is mainly developed for those who lack the use of their hands or voice. Its users may be either adults or the children with spinal cord injuries or brain strokes, etc. Some of the skills needed by the users are good control of one eye, ability to maintain a position in front of the eye gaze monitor, etc., which are used to maintain the eye gaze system. Coming to the parts of the eye gaze system, it requires both software and hardware requirements combinedly to maintain the eye gaze system. Some of the software programs required are main menu, games, read text, settings program, etc. And hardware requirements are desktop computer with OS, CD and floppy drives, adjustable monitor tray with camera brackets, high-speed infrared sensitive camera and the lens. Both the hardware and software requirements combinedly maintained to form a eye gaze system. Coming to the working of the eye gaze system. Eye gaze system uses the pupil central corneal reflection method. Firstly, the video camera mounted below the monitor, it takes 60 pictures per second, and the infrared rays which are reflected from the user's eye is recorded, and the sensor records when the reflected light is moving, and the computer then calculates the person's gaze point. This is the working of the eye gaze system which I had discussed just now. And the basic eye gaze can calibrate, typewrite, read text, entertain with games, text sense, etc. With the eye gaze provides other options like it can speak, control automatically by using IoT techniques. It can dial a phone call and answer a phone call automatically. This is the main menu provided by the eye gaze system with the icons like read text, lights and applications, paddle ball, soccer for phrases, typewriter, etc. And this is the face program with an inbuilt conversations which makes the users more convenient to communicate with the other people or the system. And this is the telephone program which has more space, which makes the eye gaze users more convenient to make calls and receive the phone calls automatically. And this is the run second PC which looks like a keyboard which had more functions and keys than the regular keyboard, and which is more spacious to operate and provide convenience for the users. And this is a mouse controller which has all the operations like regular mouse, but this mouse controller which have more spacious and easy to handle and make the user more convenient. The lights and application program. These are some of the lights and application programs which are developed using the IoT technique, which is automatically used to on or off the light, music, fan, TV, front door, etc. And all these four spaces which are mentioned here are well separated to provide convenience for the users and which are easily used by the users. The operational environment of eye gaze system. The eye gaze system must be operated in an environment where there is a limit of infrared lights. The system works best away from windows and in a room with mercury vapor lights which are low in infrared. Coming to the advantages, the eye movement is faster than other current input media. No training of particular coordination is required for normal users. It can determine where the users interact is focused automatically, and it is helpful for usability studies to understand users interact with their environment. And some of the disadvantages of this eye gaze system are the equipment is expensive. Some users can work with the equipment. Calibrating the equipment takes time. For example, if they wear a contact lens or having a long eyelashes. Intelgaze IZ30, which is the extension or future work of the initial eye gaze system. The difference of the initial eye gaze system and the Intelgaze IZ30 it is sophisticated system with a high tracking rate and the excellent working range. It can accommodate rapid or involuntary head movement. Intelgaze uses the latest camera technology, very sophisticated image processing and calibrating methods. Applications. Some of the applications uses are neuroscience, vision research, robotics, video games, etc. And I want to conclude my topic that today the human eye gaze can be recorded by relatively unremarkable techniques. This argues that it is possible to use the eye gaze of a computer user in the interface to aid the control of the application. Thank you.